Let's talk today about angle in food photography. This is so important things in photography, the same like choice the lights, background, props, styling, everything, because the each dishes you should photography different angle, because like sandwich, pasta, pizza or soup, you use different angle for photography that's dishes to show the best angle. Your photo looks more interesting, the styling looks very good with different angle, and you can be more creative to do that photo. When I photography for my clients, like in my studio or in a restaurant, I try to photography one dishes with different angle, what my clients later can choose the best photo for him, restaurant or business. Today I want to talk about three different angle what I use: straight on, flat lay, and 45 degrees. And this video I explain different from this angle and how the best you can use in your photography. Let's go! When I start to learn about food photography and learn how to photography the best, I use the first the angle 45 degrees, and believe me, I stay with this maybe 1 or 2 years. I didn't change that angle for photography, and later my photo was boring. I didn't grow in photography and I didn't like sometimes how looks my photo, and I didn't understand why in my camera the food don't look so good like on photos, different photos what I checked before I start to shoot. That's now before start to photography food, and I photography maybe pizza or maybe salad, maybe sandwich or some cake or drinks. I think about which position the camera, the angle is the best for each food, and show the best angle for exactly that type of the food. I think you should the same start from one angle, and later when you feel very good, confident with the photography, with styling, choice the props, everything, lights is good, you can change and start think like how I can do better photo with the same dishes, the same composition, but different angle. That's will be help you to grow in the photography. But now, first angle what I use is straight on. Straight on you use to show more details of your food, but the details from front of the dishes or inside when you photography sandwich, when you photography pancakes, burgers. This is the best position straight on, because you see all ingredients what is in your burger with sandwich. The same when you photography pancakes. Pancakes have a layer 1, 2, 3, maybe 5, and fruits, and maybe you put some cream on top or maybe honey. You want to show the best like how looks the fruits, the pancakes, and the honey, the color. That is the angle what you use for exactly that shoot is straight on. Second angle, and one from my favorite, is 45 degrees. 45 degrees is when we sit on the table and we see exactly on the plate what is. That is the best for almost every type of the food. You can photography with this and show nice texture, the top and little bottom the food, because that is 45 degrees. It's perfect for photography like salad, soup, chocolate cake, or something what you have on the top and front the same interesting. That is the best angles. And the last angle and my favorite is flat lay, or you can hear like top down. Is from the top. You photography everything from the top. It's perfect if you have some dishes with the details on the top. Like pizza is perfect to photography because you see all ingredients, the sauce, what you use there. Another like soup, ramen, because ramen always with styling. We show so much ingredients inside. This is perfect dishes for that type of the angle. And another things, when I photograph in restaurant and I photography more dishes later, the owner asked me, can you do few photos, dishes together? This is perfect to show the layer, show the small balls, big balls together, and show ingredients, what is inside, how looks the dishes. This is the perfect angle for that type of the photography. Now you should choose one dishes and do with these 3 different angles and check how looks the photo and which photo is the best from these 3 angles.